What's good, guys? It's your boy TWBGG here, and I am back with a YouTube video. Today I got an unboxing here for the Ampligame SC3 from Fifine. It's a gaming mixer. I've been looking to upgrade to XLR audio for a while now, and I am totally glad I can actually do that now. So I'm going to be unboxing this, and we'll have a review on it probably later on this week. So you guys make sure you stick around and check that out. Let's go. So I actually opened it a little bit already, guys, so don't judge me. I was trying to see if it had an XLR cable, but it didn't. But good thing I, smart enough to actually get another one, just, if I can have it. So I have an XLR cable now, so I did open it just to see. So if you see one thing open, it's the USB-C cable. But this one, you start off, you open it, here we go. Got some instructions here for you. Go underneath that, bam. Woo! All right, there we go. So straight to it, here we go. This system itself. I'm actually really excited to check it out. Here we go, we got on the back. Let's see if we can get that kind of rather clearly. I need a dedicated area to do some boxes like that. I actually want to get started on doing all boxes. So we got a line in, we got a headset port, headphone, line out, optic PCs. That's what the USB-C cable is gonna plug in. Here we got for your XLR cable. Oh, we got for either for the mic, either condenser or dynamic. It's pretty neat. Definitely excited to really try this out, especially with my streams and stuff like that, because I've been reading a lot into XLR audio first right now on my, if you guys can see, I'm running the Fifine K688 and I have a USB-C connected. So yep, let's see what's here. 48 volts, electric SMA, change voice. Monster, baby, elder, male, female, robot. Oh, pretty sweet. I'm really excited to see what these custom buttons do. Like, what can I set them to as far as that? Mute, mic monitor, mute. Oh, nice. It's a really good feel. I can't wait to see it powered on. I'm not gonna plug it in powered up. I'm gonna say that for the review for you guys. I just want to show you guys what came with it. So this was the USB-C cable that I opened, so you guys don't come for me. Another thing I found cool also is this USB. I don't know if it's a 2 or 3, but it also can go USB-C if you want to plug it in that way as well. So your computer or laptop or whatever you're plugging it into. What's this one actually? Oh, it's like a cable for audio. Okay. One of the lines. So that's pretty much what's in the box. I know it's gonna be a short video, but I'm really excited. I'm really excited for Fifine products. I currently been rocking my K688 since I say about my birthday last year when my girlfriend bought them for me. And yeah, that's all that's really into it. There's nothing on the back, nothing on the sides. Audio, reverberation, customized sound effect, widely compatible. Hey, I'm really excited. It's RGB lighting, as you guys can see. And there's also a whole bunch of different light modes. I'm plugging it in, let you guys see that with you see the setting, change that up there with the review. So guys, make sure you check that out later this week. It's your boy TWBGG, and I'm out. Peace.